So it has been 4 years of me starting my business and showing up on social media. My throat is really bad today. So yeah. Anyway, it has been like 4 years of me starting my business, and there has been low, like really low moments. Okay, I have been wanting to quit countless times. Self doubt has been so loud. Like today in the afternoon, I was contemplating that maybe what I am doing is not working. Maybe I am not good enough. Maybe I am not meant to lead people, teach people, guide people, mentor them. Maybe spirituality is not something that is for me, okay? Or working in that, or maybe have like that blessing of making money from my passions. Maybe not in the cards for me. And like in last 4 years of me starting my business, oh my god, the kind of mistakes that I have made. Like I have recently, there was a moment like 10 days ago when my mom was passing. I was in a major lack energy. There was like a dark cloud on me, and I texted few people on Instagram like, can I have like some money, because I don't have money for food and for rent and all of that. And I felt so embarrassed. I felt so small. I felt like I should quit now. If I have made this big mistake of texting people for money, I should definitely quit now. And like also when we start our business, it will bring us our shadows, our triggers, where we feel small, our poor beliefs that we have around power, around money, around ourselves. It just brings up all of that. And like the false energy of competition, competing with other women and other people in the industry, it all brings up. But it's like, don't be afraid to see the shadow. Don't be afraid to see where you are lacking integrity. Do not be afraid to see where you are going wrong, where you are moving with a out of integrous energy, where you are moving with not so clean energy. Because if you will never see it, you will never learn, you will never grow, you will never build something that is lasting. And we can only teach when we learn better in our lives. If we remain stagnant, what are we teaching to other people? Stagnancy. No. But I just wanted to share this with you. If you are starting your thing and going all in on your passions, you will make mistakes. There will be but those mistakes are not a sign for you to quit. They are a sign for you to learn better about your skills, about cleaning your energy, cultivating. Wow, it's not like someone who has shadow, that because everyone has shadow, okay? So it's not someone who has shadow, that's he's a loser or she's a loser. But like someone who has a shadow but in complete denial of that, they can be a loser, okay? But someone who is willing to see their shadow and become the master of it, okay, now I know what not to do, okay? That's a win. That's a win. And don't be afraid to embarrass yourself in front of people. Like so many embarrassment today only I learned is a very underrated emotions. Go out and make fool of yourself. So recently one of the person that I texted, one of my friend that I texted for money when I was just in a very confusing energy, because my mother was dying and I had no support and I had no money to even travel to her or to even eat food. So I got into major survival energy and I texted her for money. And she said what you are doing, what you have been doing in the last 2-3 years, that is clearly not working for you, Jyoti. And coming from her, it really made me doubt myself. I was already going through a lot of pain and confusion around my mom's dying. And when she said that, I was like, maybe that is true. And right now as well, I have to like pay my 3 months of rent, and I'm like, okay, I have food for, like, I have the money for food for next few days, but what after that? Like after 2-3 days, how will I face my landlord and all? But something in me tells me, keeps telling me that Jyoti, you are on the right path. You are showing up with your authenticity. Something will work out for you, definitely. And I'm sharing everything with you because I want to let you know that I am moving with complete faith. I have no idea, really no idea. All I have is just the inspirations that I receive from God to wear certain outfit, to dance, to go to certain place and share the spiritual messages. That's all. That's how I am moving, and I'm trusting that Mother Earth will provide for me. And yeah, it is definitely scary, but my birthday is on 5th of March, and I have strong faith. I have strong faith that Mother Earth will really make me happy and provide for me. And I also want to share that, in the last 3 months, my landlord has been so kind to me. Because I let go of that safety of receiving money from my father, I let it go completely because my father was taking care of my mom's medicine and all of that treatment. So I stopped taking help from him, even though I didn't know how I was going to pay my rent, how I was going to eat. I just let it go. And then in the last 3 months, I just received the epic generosity and kindness from my landlord that she let me stay without paying my rent. I don't want to continue this because it's scary. When I wake up in the morning, I'm like, okay, what if is today the day that my landlord is going to throw me out? What if her mind something comes in her mind and she throws me out? All of these fears becomes very loud. But I did have, I was sharing this with you because I wanted to let you know that when we let go of something, that we feel like, okay, I don't want to continue living this way. Like I didn't want it to continue taking help from my father because it was not coming from a happy place. So I only want money that comes from a very happy, loving place. So I just let it go. But then I received the kindness from my landlord for last 3 months. And then there were people who were donating for my food and everything. So it was working out so far. And I am sure moving forward also it's going to work out because I did the right thing. I did the right thing by following my heart, by following my inspiration, by learning from my mistakes. Yeah, and by building deep compassion and forgiveness for myself. Yeah. You can book a one-on-one intuitive guidance session with me for deeper levels of support, intuitive guidance, spiritual guidance. And if you want to get into solid power and confidence, get into my 12 weeks of mentorship. It will support you in cultivating solid self-love, coming into your power, into your integrity, move through unprocessed emotions of shame, guilt, fear, and limiting beliefs, and step into your powers. If you feel like, oh my God, I'm not good enough, I am not gifted enough, I don't have anything to offer to the world, in 12 weeks, I will show you the magic that you have inside of you, okay? So link of everything is in my bio, and you can also donate for my rent, food and bills. That will help me a lot in, continuing to this beautiful work. And this is a God's work. This is what God and Mother Earth called me to do, and they will provide for me. Simple. And I'll see you in another video.